Explanation of Article 283 of the Indian Constitution. Article 283 deals with the custody and management of government funds at both the central and state levels. It specifies how money is to be received, stored, and withdrawn from the government's financial accounts. The article is divided into two clauses, each addressing a different level of government. Clause 1. Central Government. The custody and management of the following funds are under the authority of Parliament. Consolidated Fund of India, the main account where all government revenues, taxes, loans, etc. are deposited and from which all government expenditures are made. Contingency Fund of India, a reserve fund for emergency expenses. Public Account of India, money held by the government in trust, such as provident funds, small savings collections, etc. Parliament has the authority to make laws regulating how money is deposited into these funds, how money is withdrawn, the management of any public money that is not part of these funds. Until Parliament makes laws, the President of India can regulate these matters through rules. Clause 2. State Governments. Similar provisions apply to state governments, but the responsibility lies with the state legislature instead of Parliament. The following funds are managed at the state level. Consolidated Fund of the State, the primary account of the state government. Contingency Fund of the State, a reserve fund for emergencies at the state level. Public Account of the State, money held by the state government in trust. The state legislature has the power to make laws regarding deposits and withdrawals from these funds, the custody and management of other public money received by the state. Until the state legislature makes laws, the governor of the state can regulate these matters through rules. Summary. Article 283 ensures financial discipline by defining how government funds are managed. Parliament regulates central funds, while state legislatures regulate state funds. In the absence of specific laws, the President, for the centre, and the Governor, for states, can make rules to govern financial transactions. This article ensures that government funds are handled in an organized and legal manner, preventing misuse and ensuring financial accountability. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1. Finance. Miscellaneous Financial Provisions. Article 283. Custody, etc., of consolidated funds, contingency funds and monies credited to the public accounts. 1. The custody of the Consolidated Fund of India and the Contingency Fund of India, the payment of monies into such funds, the withdrawal of monies therefrom, the custody of public monies other than those credited to such funds received by or on behalf of the Government of India, their payment into the public account of India and the withdrawal of monies from such account, and all other matters connected with or ancillary to matters aforesaid shall be regulated by law made by Parliament, and until provision in that behalf is so made, shall be regulated by rules made by the President. 2. The custody of the Consolidated Fund of a State and the Contingency Fund of a State, the payment of monies into such funds, the withdrawal of monies therefrom, the custody of public monies other than those credited to such funds received by or on behalf of the Government of the State, their payment into the public account of the state and the withdrawal of monies from such account, and all other matters connected with or ancillary to matters aforesaid shall be regulated by law made by the Legislature of the state, and, until provision in that behalf is so made, shall be regulated by rules made by the Governor of the state.